You guys, I know I like to sit in this corner when I film my intros, but my baby's fully asleep, so I couldn't move her. So we're a little over to the side today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here. And I know everyone else would love to have you here as well. Can you believe she sleeps through my loud ass voice? So you guys, for today's video, I'm bringing to you some quick and easy hairstyles. These are like less than 5 minutes. Probably less than 3 minutes. They're so simple, they're so easy, but I thought it'd be fun to bring you some more of these looks. So I hope you enjoy and let's get into the video. Can you see the back of my head? Okay, you guys, back of your head, we're gonna split it. Whoop. And I'm gonna tie this side off so it doesn't get over here while I do this side. Now what I wanna do is, I wanna create, actually, you know how I'm gonna do this? I'm gonna do this from the front. I changed my mind. I am going to start doing a French braid back. So I always have to focus so hard when I do this. So this is called a French braid, right? You just do it like directly against your head and you just pull backwards. This would, I feel like this would look better if I could have someone do it and do like a straight braid back, but I don't know how to do that on my own. Going down against the scalp. Now you just grab all of that. We are going to tie this off for now, okay? This isn't the finished look to this side, but we're just gonna tie it off for now. Leave it. So you just have this braid into this ponytail, all right? We're gonna do the same thing to the other side over here. The hard part is like getting this even. If this takes you a little bit, don't worry. Oh my god, it took me so long to figure out how to do this, and sometimes I'm still like, am I doing this right? It's literally just like a regular 3-strand braid, but against your scalp, and then as you go down, you just add hair to it. Okay, we're gonna tie this off as well. There, can you see? Alrighty, now we have 2. Normally for this, I really need to find some like white or like blonde or silver, I guess silvery gray toned ties for these. I just have black ones for now. I would just find like a band that matches your hair color. And what we're gonna do is, we're going to grab this hair and we're going to create little fun buns. Woohoo! Bam! Little buns! Braids into buns. Now, this next one I want to do is I want to pull this together. And now we're going to create a big messy bun because I feel like coming into one bun looks so cute. Do you like it? So you can do the braids into your one bun. For this next one is one that I just think is so cute. We're going to pull out some pieces in the front. And we're just going to gently, we're going to take a hair tie, and you're just going to ever so gently, however you want to do it, just the messy ass bun. I never care what this looks like. I will look at this stupid piece. I don't even care. I will walk out of my place with this in. But if that part bothers you, take a bobby pin, take this back, pin it in the back, whoop. There you go. Then it looks cuter the messier it is. You just pull some pieces out around the face. Here you go, pull some extra pieces, get those baby hairs out, pull out in the back and the bottom. I love this. I love a messy bun. This is like what I would wear to school and throw on a sweatshirt and be like, I don't give a shit. You know? You walk in late to school with a coffee, like what? I love it. Alrighty guys, okay. Now what we're going to do is, again, we'll take out pieces in the front and we're going to grab backwards. We're going to do a light, just do a little twist around. For this, mess with it, do what you want. Take any sort of scarf, hair tie, whatever. I just have a piece of an old shirt here. Take it underneath the bun. Wrap it around the bun, woo, and just tie it. I feel like those really pretty silk scarves will look best. I'm just gonna pull out any pieces around here. I look like freaking Matilda. I feel like this is cute for little girls in school, you know? Now I'm gonna brush this out because I saw this on Pinterest and it was just, I think she was a model. I think she was just like modeling, but she did the most simple low pony, but it was so different. This is what it looks like and you're gonna be like, what the hell? She took out 2 pieces right here and she just had this ponytail. It was like down like this and she literally, I probably have 5 chins right now, just tied it with the scarf right here. Bam. This was it, but it was so stunning on her messy hair. Oh my gosh, and she's just like, what? I love it. I think it's so stunning. I feel like it looks like a saggy ponytail, but that with like a giant sweatshirt and like a cup of tea to me just sounds like so hot. I don't know why. I don't know why. Now I know I do a lot of high ponies and low ponies, but I think a midi pony from the side truly looks the best to me. So we're gonna take out a few pieces in the front, okay? This is gonna be our messy part. Just a few pieces. Now I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna brush it backwards as if it's gonna be a low pony, but we're gonna pull it up a little bit. So you have a hard part right here, middle part, pieces out the side. We're gonna tie this off, okay? And boom. I love this freaking ponytail. Look at it, it just looks so good. Like you see me in the front and I'm just like, yeah, I look like I mean business. Like this is what I need from you. Turn to the side and I look sporty as hell. Ooh, I love a sporty bitch, you know? That's me. This is such a good one. You're gonna kind of let your hair fall. I'm gonna pull it back. I'm actually going to kind of loosely go like this from the front. Just gently, I'm still holding the back. Just loosen things up, okay? Gonna pull it back. Now what we're going to do is, you're going to take your hair, gently, loosely, just wrap it around itself. Take your hair tie, wrap it around so it's in place, okay? Then you just gently pull on the hair so it gets looser and messier and you pull on the bun. Let it get loose and messy, and you just have this easy, loose bun. I feel like it's so cute. This is like so fall time to me. Like you wanna go to the pumpkin patch? Hold on, let me put up my loose bun, you know? Did you like these looks? I hope you did. Let me know in the comments below what other looks you would like to see from me, and definitely let me know what is your go-to quick and easy style. Is it a bun, a ponytail, or do you just not care and you go out of the house with however your hair's looking that day? I also would like to know what other hair videos you would like to see from me as always. But yeah, until then, I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye!